Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a data picker inside of Google Sheets. Okay, so let's say that I have my employee list as I have here. I have John, Mary, Serge, Kyle, and John B. And I want to create a new column that basically says, date in which they joined the company, right? Date they joined. And I want to have a date picker for you. Okay, so it's more convenient. It's easier for me. What I can do is I can select this range of data, these columns here, and I can go to data and data validation here. Now, do you want to add a new rule? Do you want to make sure that your range is correct, which in my case is from B2 to B6? And in your criteria, you want to select is a valid date. Okay? After you're done, you can just go to done. And now, when you try to add some data here, if you double click, this is what's going to happen. You're going to have your double picker, okay, your date picker, right? Which is great. All right. You can also manually add your date here just by typing. Okay, so let's say that I write this, for example, but this is only going to work if it's a valid date. Okay. So let's say that I try to do, for example, I don't know, 15, which that doesn't exist because it's the month 15, 30, 900. This could give me actually a warning, okay, because it's not a valid date. All right, that's it. Thank you so much.